Are you tired of feeling like your marriage is stuck in neutral? Are you ready to shift into high gear and take your relationship to the next level? Introducing our online marriage course, designed to help you rev up your marriage and build a rock-solid foundation with your partner. Hi, I'm Dr. Turpeau, and I'm here to tell you that you don't have to settle for a mediocre marriage. With our course, you'll learn how to accelerate your relationship and achieve the success and happiness that you deserve. Our course is jam-packed with valuable information and strategies that will help you communicate more effectively, deepen your connection with your partner, and build a life of abundance and fulfillment together. From conflict resolution to intimacy and everything in between. Our course covers all the bases to help you create a marriage that's built to last. Don't wait any longer to invest in your marriage. Sign up for our online course today and start driving towards a happier, more successful future with your partner. Are you ready to hit the gas and drive towards the life and marriage of your dreams? Remember, in marriage, just like in life, you either take action and make things happen, or you sit on the sidelines and watch others achieve success. The choice is yours. Don't delay. Go ahead and sign up today. See you soon.